let's start with a point at -1, 2, and we're going to make this point move back and forth. We can add a variable to the x-coordinate. I'm going to add h for horizontal, and I'm just going to shift this between 0 and 2 with a step of 0.001. Now I want to remove the drag feature. We're not going to use that. And I'm going to change the speed of the animation to 5x just to make a point here. You'll see that once I hit play, this point is going to oscillate between -1 and 1, but rather rigidly, like it bounces off the wall hard and it has a constant speed. There's a way we can change the speed of this point as it oscillates. Let's make it more smooth using the cosine function. We're going to do cosine of x plus 1. Now we're going to add 1 to this so that it oscillates between 0 and 2, which is what we have our h slider set to, between 0 and 2. Now I'm going to need another slider. I'm going to use t. You can use whatever you want. And I'm going to make that go from 0 to 2. No, let's go 4 pi. You can use whatever you want. 6 pi, 8 pi, 10 pi, doesn't really matter. It'll just change the speed. And we're going to make h a function of t. So h is now f of t. Hide this graph and click play on the t slider. So now this point is still oscillating between -1 and 1, but it's not so rigid. It's more of a spring motion. Well, it is a spring motion. For comparison, you can change the h back to a 0, click play, and this is the rigid linear motion with a constant speed. Or we could use the function and change that motion into something more smooth. You could use whatever function you want. Sine and cosine will give it this spring motion.